Have you ever wondered how the cooking oil in your kitchen goes from tiny seeds to a clear, golden liquid? Today, we're taking you inside a modern cooking oil factory to uncover the complete manufacturing process, step by step. This is not just a factory tour, it's the story of technology, precision, and science working together to produce something we use every single day. Let's begin the journey. Everything starts with seeds. Depending on the type of oil, factories use soybeans, sunflower seeds, palm fruit, mustard seeds, or canola. Before processing, these raw materials go through strict quality checks. Dust, stones, damaged seeds, and foreign particles are removed using vibrating screens, magnets, and air cleaners. Only clean, high-quality seeds move forward because better seeds mean better oil. Next comes cleaning and dehulling. The outer shell of seeds is removed to improve oil extraction efficiency. Special machines gently crack the seeds and separate the husk. This step also improves oil color, taste, and shelf life, something most people never think about when pouring oil into a pan. Now the seeds are crushed. Heavy steel rollers flatten the seeds into thin flakes. This increases surface area, allowing maximum oil extraction. The flakes are then gently heated, not cooked, just enough to loosen the oil inside without damaging nutrients. This balance is critical. Here's where the real magic happens. Factories use two main methods, mechanical pressing and solvent extraction. In mechanical pressing, massive presses squeeze oil out under high pressure. In solvent extraction, food-grade solvents pull out nearly every drop of oil from the flakes. The result? Crude oil, unrefined, dark, and full of impurities. Crude oil is not ready for your kitchen yet. It goes through multiple refining stages. 1. Degumming, removes gums and phospholipids. 2. Neutralization, eliminates free fatty acids. 3. Bleaching, removes color pigments using natural clay. 4. Deodorization, steam removes unwanted smells. After this process, the oil becomes clear, odorless, and stable. This is the oil you recognize. Before packaging, every batch is tested. Factories check color, purity, acidity, taste, and shelf stability. Laboratory technicians ensure the oil meets international food safety standards. If it doesn't pass, it doesn't ship. Now the oil moves to automated filling lines. Bottles are washed, sterilized, filled, and sealed. High-speed machines handle thousands of bottles per hour with extreme precision. Each bottle is then packed into cartons, ready for distribution. Finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses before being shipped to markets, supermarkets, and homes around the world. From seed to shelf, a journey of science and engineering. And that's how cooking oil is made in a factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which factory process you want to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next factory story, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.